What does it mean to challenge yourself? Is it soaring over the horizon? Or exploring the ocean depths? Or experiencing all the hidden wonders of the world? Maybe challenge is going beyond your limits. 30 years ago, we set ourselves a challenge to use precision aerospace products as our platform to achieve success in the aviation market. Next, we extended to develop reliable and accurate maritime navigation equipment. To achieve our vision of bringing GPS technology to everyone, we turned our focus closer to land, guiding the way for mountaineers and opening a new chapter in vehicle navigation. At the same time, we immersed ourselves in outdoor activities, as well as sports and fitness fields. We carried out intensive research and development work to harness data useful for fitness activities. Our waterproofing technology enhanced our product's durability. On top of ensuring quality control, we also strengthened our research and development capabilities. The desire to innovate motivated us to develop a range of smartwatches suitable for all ages and all kinds of activities. Today, Garmin combines software expertise with vertically integrated manufacturing, allowing us to innovate across the 5 major fields of aviation, marine, automotive, outdoor sports, and smart wearables. As the Industry 4.0 era dawns, we hope that our technology will continue to make lives better, and our products will be the leader in their fields.